Well, I was searching around for some radio parts and I came across this meter I had purchased about almost a year ago now. And yeah, it's a Heathkit VTVM model IM 5228. It's a vacuum tube meter, voltmeter, but it also reads ohms. No big deal. So I first put it on my battery here, and it was it was reading 15 volts or something like that. Yeah, I was reading around 15 volts. So if anybody has one of these meters, it's extremely easy to calibrate these. So as you can see, it's on 0 and it has a 0 adjustment right here. So if it's off, you can just 0 it in, which is not a big deal. I usually use this right here, and but I use that, and then I forget, I went to calibrate it, and then when I took the voltage off, it was off. So I guess it's better to use the 0 adjustment on the dial on your pot, your potentiometer right there. It's I guess it seems to be better with that, where it's a vacuum tube, maybe, because that seems to be what's going on. That's just my lunch that's beeping there. So yeah, I don't know if you can see, but it's right on 0. So okay, my multimeter goes down to 1/100 of a volt, which is what I like about this meter. So I'm able to, I'll put this on. Now you'll see it's on the, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's on the 15 volt scale on the range. It's on plus DC, and I have it right there at 12 point, well, 12 point, I guess, 8 is about as close as you're going to get. The line just before the 13. But it's quite easy to adjust these. Like I say, it was on 15. So you can just, ooh, I hit the wire actually. But oh wow, that's just, I don't know, it'll go more. But the whole idea is, oh, I don't know if I'm showing this. So yeah, you can adjust your calibration on this. I'm right-handed, not left. So there it is. It's right on the line just before 13. So that's how you calibrate your meter. I didn't even look it up. It just says DC calibration, and then there's AC calibration, AC balance. Not really worried too much about AC calibration, but I might try and have a transformer, a couple transformers, and try that. But this is mainly going to be for DC measurements anyway. So right now it's right on 12.8, which is well, 12.79 is pretty well 12.8. It's within 1/100th of a millivolt, so that's close enough for me. So yeah, that's the meter, and I don't know. Yeah, it's very windy outside. I don't know if you can hear the flaps on the exhaust fan flapping away. But yeah, I'm looking at this meter and there's not a mark on it. So I got lucky with this one. Cheers.